What's up, everybody? Let's talk about how to convert your JPEG photorealistic images into vectorized images. The process is actually pretty quick. Just so you know, I'm using Adobe Illustrator 2020 and I'm using the Essentials Classic Workspace. And here we go. So I have this image here that I'm going to copy. Just right click, copy image, and I'm going to go into Illustrator and paste it. And you'll notice that the image is much bigger than the artboard. That's actually a pretty quick fix to adjust the size of the artboard. I'm going to get the artboard tool, and then up in the options bar where it says letter, these are just a bunch of predefined artboard sizes that you can choose. And so if you scroll up to the very top, it says fit to artwork bounds. I'm going to click that, and then it automatically scales the artboard to fit the pasted image. Now, we're going to use the image trace tool, and so if it's not already added to your customizable toolbar here, you can open the window by going to Window up in the menu bar down to Image Trace. And we're going to just be messing with some of these presets. Obviously, if you want to fine-tune some things, then you just mess around with these advanced settings. But I'm going to click my image because I want to make sure it's selected, and because that's what I'm going to be affecting here. And I'm just going to choose this 16 colors preset. The more like higher fidelity photo, then it's going to take longer to process. So I want there to be some decent detail, but I'm not going to go crazy with it. So here it is, just processing. And there you go. You can kind of see what it looks like now vectorized. But we're not done yet. Let's say, for example, that I don't like this and I want to try something else. Then I'm going to go to Object up in the menu bar, down to Image Trace, and click Release. And then it changes it back to the original image, and I can try one of these other ones. Let's try like 3 colors. Yeah, there you go. So a lot different look. And so you're noticing that you can start getting a lot different looks. I'm going to go back to that 16 color. Now let's say that I like that and I'm ready to like mess with that. So again, I'm going to go up to Object in the menu bar down to Image Trace, and I'm going to hit Expand. And what this is going to do is actually take it and expand it into like thousands of different shapes. And you can see all these shapes are now outlined in blue. So if I go to my Layers palette, then you can see I have a group, and in that group there is, I mean, literally hundreds, if not thousands, of little tiny shapes and things like that. And so you're basically done at this point. If you would like to go and start cleaning things up, then obviously you can do that using things like the shape builder. You can change colors. You can do anything you want to make it look pretty cool. But as far as the assignment goes, that's pretty much it. Now to export it as a JPEG and turn it in, simply go up to File, down to Export, Export As, and where it says Format down below, you want to make sure that it says JPEG, and you can go ahead and call this vectorized.jpg. Click where you're going to save it and then hit Export. You can leave all this stuff the same. If it's not set up so that your quality is at 10 and your resolution is 300, I'd recommend doing that and just hit OK. And you're good to go. You'll probably spend more time changing the presets to see what those different things look like. But overall, the process is very basic and very straightforward. And the nice thing is it's super quick. So have fun with it. I'm excited to see what you come up with.